These 5 TikTok brands are making thousands dropshipping with no money spent on ads. What's up guys, it's your boy the Beast of Ecom and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. It's safe to say when it comes to dropshipping, TikTok is definitely the latest trend. That's because it's a hell of a lot easier and cheaper to get up and running than Facebook right now. Some brands are making thousands organically by simply going viral on the platform. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 TikTok dropshipping brands that are absolutely crushing it. Now, before I do that, if you could do 2 things for me. Firstly, if you could drop a like down below, it helps the video, it helps the channel, and gives the algorithm some love. Secondly, drop a comment down below and let me know which of these 5 products you would potentially test out and which brand is doing the best job. Finally, if you are not subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your e-commerce dropshipping stores using Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and all of that good stuff. So this is the first store. It's the brand called Zendai, and these guys sell incense burners, and you can see here how many followers that these guys have got and likes. They've got 2.3 million followers and 38 million likes on this, so definitely crushing it. Now, if you want to find out what their most viral TikToks are, what you can do is you can just use this Chrome extension. It's called Sort for TikTok, and you can find it. It's 100% free. And if I click start on this, what it's going to do is it's going to go through and arrange all of these in the order from which have got the most views and then which have got the least views. And this is something that I've been doing just to find out which of the TikToks that they have been posting are getting the most traction. And when you actually do this, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to see and recognize the patterns which are going viral. So you can analyze and start to study which of their best TikToks, as you can see here, these ones here have all gone absolutely and stupidly viral. And what you would do is you would have a look at these ones and study and try to understand what made these go viral. So this is their most viral video, and you can see here this one had 67 million views on it. Now, this product itself doesn't actually solve a problem. It's something which is cool, quirky, unique, and has a wow effect. Like, you wouldn't be able to find this in your normal high street stores. So if you are selling something like this, you want to make sure that you are demonstrating the wow effect straight off the point. And you can see here it had 8.4 million likes on it. Now, some videos don't even get that many views, let alone likes. So these guys are absolutely crushing it with this store. Now, if you have a look at their actual website, it's extremely branded. It looks very well presented and well put together. This is kind of like a perfect niche store. And you can see here they've actually, it looks like they've potentially taken their own photos. I'd have to double check and have a look on AliExpress to see if you could actually find these. But it looks like they've actually taken their own photos, because you can have a look and see at the background they've actually put a watermark in. So this is something that you could do as well, especially to try and differentiate yourself away from all of your competitors, because you're going to be taking this content anyway. Why not just take a photo and have your own custom photos that if someone else does use, then of course you can DMCA them and take their pages down. Now, looking at their post frequency, it looks like they're actually posting at least once a day. So this one was done 2 days ago, and again this one was done 2 days ago, so that was like twice in one day. And if you have a look one here, this was 3 days ago, but then the other one after that was 5 days ago. Sorry, that one was a week ago, and this one here was 5 days ago. So it seems like they're posting kind of like 1 to 3 times per day. Now, if you have a look at AliExpress, you can see that we can find similar products like this here. Now remember, these guys are not paying for any ad spend if you are doing it organically. So of course you don't have to have an extreme amount of margin in the actual product to have success if you are doing organic TikTok. Now, onto the second dropshipping TikTok brand, which is absolutely killing it, is this tiny phone. And you can see that these guys have had 2.3 million likes. They've got 132,000 followers. Now, if you have a look at their most viral video, this one here had about 5 million views on it. And it's pretty much just a simple unboxing video. And of course, again, this product doesn't actually solve a problem unless you are kind of like in jail or something along those lines, right? Then this product is literally just wow, cool, quirky, and unique. And because a lot of people on TikTok, like the kind of cute, it's mainly kind of like kids, but it is sizing up. So there are a lot of older demographics are coming to the platform. Something like this really has that wow, cool, quirky, unique effect with just a unboxing video, something that anyone can film from their home. Now, one thing you'll notice with this brand that they do really well is they reply to the comments. So for example, if someone says, can you call people on it? Then they will reply with a TikTok with the actual video demonstrating if they can do it. Again, for example, some people will say, can you have, can you connect it to AirPods, or can you actually have TikTok on it, etc. and then that just gives you more content for you to be able to create videos. Their website itself is very, very clean, very well put together, one product store. I like this, I like the way it's been built, and it probably looks a little bit better on mobile as well. So remember, you want to make sure that your store is optimized for mobile, because naturally traffic on TikTok is all on mobile, okay? So again, very cool and fantastic looking website that they have here. The use of GIFs on here as well, again with a simple just to get yours now call to action at the bottom. One thing you can do is, instead of trying to actually sell the exact same product, is you can head to like places like AliExpress and try and dropship something which is a little bit different. So for example, you could find something like this or like this, which is a different phone, because naturally most people will be just trying to sell the exact same phone that these guys are selling, whereby you have proof of concept. People like a small phone, so trying to find something which is a little bit different that can differentiate yourself away from everyone else is going to help you have success as well. Onto the third TikTok brand, and these guys haven't got the most amount of followers, but this product is super cool, and I'll show you it in a moment in time. But if we have a look, we can see they've got 10,000 followers and 298,000 likes. Looking at some of their videos, you can see a lot of them have gone viral pretty much. So this one here has had close to 1 million views. This one had 2.1 million views, and this one's had 1.2 million views. So this is their most viral video, and you can see here what exactly the product does. It's a pen essentially. It doesn't solve a problem, but it's very cool, and you can see some of the effects that it actually has and what the product actually does. Pretty cool product. Looking at their product page, you can see it's very clean and very well set out. And they're obviously making use of GIFs as well. If you are selling a product on TikTok, I recommend that you always use GIFs on your product page. You want to make sure that they are compressed and don't go overboard with them, because of course then you will slow down your actual website. But the use of GIFs to explain what the product does is a fantastic thing to do. On to the fourth one, and again, these guys don't have a massive amount of followers, but they do have a nice amount of likes, and they have been getting some great views on their actual videos. And this is a vortex bottle, and I'll show you what it looks like in a moment in time. But essentially we can see that these guys have had 68,000 followers and they have 161,000 likes. And this product here obviously has a very passionate niche for people who go to the gym, work out, maybe people who like to eat clean, such as smoothies and those kind of things. So this is their most viral video, and you can see here that essentially it's just replying to a comment that they've had on one of their videos. And this is a great thing to do, of course, and you can see at the end of the video, you will see what will we blend it with next. There you can see when it pops up here. What should we use it? What should we mix next? Which is obviously going to then encourage comments, which is great for the algorithm. And of course, that also gives you ideas that you can use for content, for new content on your actual page when you're posting your TikTok. Now, if we have a look at their actual website, you can see that it's not the greatest looking one, if I'm being 100% honest, especially in comparison to the previous ones that we've seen. You probably want to add on some reviews here at the homepage, but essentially it's very clean and does the job. If we look on AliExpress, we can see that we can get something similar, which is this one here, but alternatively, there are different models as well. So again, like I've mentioned previously before, you can go on here and order something similar, but which may be a little bit better, so that you can put out a new brand, which is essentially the same concept of the product, but a better product nevertheless. Finally, the fifth TikTok brand that I've seen. Now, these guys are actually running adverts. I've seen these adverts in my For You page, and essentially it's a little bit of a twist on the Galaxy light. So it's kind of like an aurora lamp. So I'll show you what it looks like now. Their most popular video was this one, which had 3.6 million views on it. And essentially you can see it still comes in the same packaging, which is probably from AliExpress. But you can see here the product is cool. It's cool, quirky, unique, and it's a twist on the actual Galaxy lamp. So the Galaxy lamp is a little bit different than this. And this Aurora lamp looks pretty cool because it has that built-in moon that you can see there. Looking at their most popular videos, you can see they've had ones do 3.6 million, 2 million, 2 million, 1 million, 700k. So they've had a lot of videos go absolutely viral. And what you would do is, if you were selling something like this, maybe not this exact product, have a look and study which of these videos done the best, on why it done the best, and then essentially try and recreate something similar to it. So this website again is a very cool looking website. They've got the black background with the purple accent on it. You can see here that these are probably photos that they've taken themselves, again for that custom content, and it's a very cool website. And also what they actually have built in here, which is something that you can do, especially if you're doing organically for influencers, is building out a affiliate scheme. So essentially any one of your influencers or people who do TikToks or create content, then of course they can get paid for it as well, which is naturally, again, not paying anything for ad spend, but additionally getting sales as well just through the affiliate system. So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure of course you drop a like on this video. It helps the channel and helps the video and gives the algorithm some love. So which of these 5 products would you potentially test out, and which of them are doing the best job? Comment down below and let me know which one. If you want to learn from me personally how to set up TikTok ads, Facebook ads and all of that good stuff, then check out my course down below. It's Ecom 2.0, and if you use the code YouTube100 you'll get $100 off the price. Hit me up on Instagram and Twitter and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one.